Hello 2020 user. Thank you for accessing this training tutorial for Omega Cabinetry. This brief video will show you how to add a recessed toe kick back modification. In your most recent cabinet catalog, right-click on the cabinet you want to add your modification to and go to Attributes. Once your Attributes box pops up, click on the Add-ons tab and Base Modifications, and this is under Toe Space Modification. Scroll through your list until you see your recessed toe kick back, and then just click on that. And you'll see we do have a visual of that recessed toe kick back. You'll need to next figure out how you want to finish out the back of that cabinet because it will be unfinished. And then hit Apply and OK and move on to your next modification. Thank you for your time, and we hope this video was helpful. Please find other videos like this in our collection, and be sure to let us know if there are other 2020 learning topics you would like to see demonstrated in this way. Happy designing!